You are going to be watching me walking you through on how you can get a free USC number and how you can use this number to verify a WhatsApp account and a Telegram account in this video. Now, this is a new update on how you can get a free USC number that can open a fresh WhatsApp account for you, and you can use it here in Nigeria or from any other countries you are from. I've gotten so much message from my subscribers asking me how they can use this number to create a WhatsApp account and a Telegram account and they can use it on. That's the reason I'm bringing this fresh update for you. And this video is a full stack tutorial that walk you through on how you can get a USC number and how you can verify it on WhatsApp and also on other social media platforms. Now, this was me verifying a WhatsApp account with a US number. So I took my time to do research to bring this to you. Now, if you follow every instructions and strategies I shared in this video, step by step, by the end of this video, you are going to be having a free USC number you can use for your WhatsApp, Telegram, and any sign-up process. So make sure you follow every single instructions I'm passing in this video. And also, if you are new here, you are seeing me for the first time, you are welcome home. Kindly go down there and smash that subscribe button and turn all bell notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I drop valuable videos here. I drop timeless valuable videos on this community. So with that said, let's jump right into this video. And the first thing you have to do is to get a new Gmail account. Now, if you have a Gmail account before, you have to leave that one. You have to create a new fresh Gmail account, and the Gmail account you are going to be creating is going to be with that number. So I'm going to be walking you through on how you can create a Gmail account with that number right now. And the first step right now is to get a new Gmail account. Now, to get a new Gmail account is very simple. You just come to your Gmail address. Once you are there, you come to add another account right here. Click on it, and it's going to take you to this very place. You click on Google, and it will take you to the next page. And now you'll be asked to sign in. All right, you are going to click on. Then you are going to click on create new account down here. So click on create new account, and it's going to ask you for personal use or for work or business. You just click on for business. All right, it's going to ask for your first name and last name. You are going to put your first name there. I'm just going to put in something like Evans Peters. Then I'll click on next, and it's going to ask for your date of birth. There's going to choose a Gmail address for you. You can choose to use any of these Gmail address, or you can choose to create a new one. So guys, we have created our new Gmail account. So now this Gmail account is with no number. So the next thing to do right now is to download the tool we are going to be using in this video. So come to our Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, go to your App Store, and we're going to search for Virtual SIM. This is right here, Virtual SIM. We are going to download Virtual SIM. Click on download. I know you must have heard of Virtual SIM before, or maybe you have watched it before on that video. But what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is a different update, and it's a different method to getting this number. So we're going to be using Thunder VPN right now. So once you come to here, we're going to come to our connect session, and we're going to use the strongest server right here. And the strongest server is what we call US. Click on US, and we're going to connect it right now. All right, our VPN is connected right now. We come over here right now, then we go back to our Virtual SIM. Come here. So guys, if you are getting value in this video, please do wait to drop a like in this video, give this video a like, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not joined the family, because I'm going to be dropping more updates around this very topic. All right, the first thing to do right now is that you are going to be having access to this. As you can see, they are asking you, do you agree to upload your contact? Now what we're going to do right now is that we're not going to click on agree. So don't click on agree, you're going to click on reject. All right, you don't want to upload your contact, click on reject. You're going to allow this. So the next thing to do is to sign up an account with them. You are going to click on sign in right here. Now, you know we created a new Gmail account for this purpose. Now that Gmail account is what we are going to be using. We are going to use our new Gmail account we just created, which is this last Gmail right here. We click on it right here, and we're going to use it to open this account. So once our account is open, we are going to put in our first name and our last name. Just go ahead and put in our first name and our last name. Then we're going to put in an Gmail address. Now you can put any Gmail address of your kind. All right, this one is not that important, but you can also put the Gmail address you use to open the account. So once we have done with that, we're going to see this save icon at the top right corner right here. Click on it, and it's going to save. So once our number is saved, we are going to be landing in this very place. As you can see, empty call history. All right, this is just the dashboard, as you can see right here. If you come over to this very place, this is where you have access to your contacts. Now this first one is your contact, the next one is your SMS, this one is your call history, and this one is your profile. All right, now if you come over to your SMS, this is where you get messages from people or from anybody that send you message, and this call right here is where you have access to your call history, people who have called you and all of that. Now if you come over to this very place right here, you're going to be having access to your profile. So if you click on my phone number, you're going to be having access to the phone number. It might be showing expired, but we are going to be using it. All right, it's telling us that it's going to expire tomorrow, which is subscribe button tomorrow, but we are going to be using it to open a WhatsApp account or a Telegram account. After then, we can start using the number. All right, it's not going to expire. Let's go over and open a WhatsApp account right now. We're going to come over here right now and we're going to open a new WhatsApp business account. All right, with this number, click on agree, and we're going to input the country code. We're going to use one, which is US, and we're going to input the number 1630519954. I'm going to click on next. As you can see right now, this number is working fine. It's not a restricted number or a bad number. We click on OK. It's going to request for SMS. So guys, I think we just received an SMS right now. This is the SMS right now. We're going to click on it. As you can see, your WhatsApp business code is 39393 and 39377 393 and all of that. And you can also tap this link to verify your phone number. All right, do not share this to another person. So I'm going to type it out, 393, and we just type it out right now. We type it out. We're going to copy it. We're going to take it here. I'm going to use to verify our account right now. We just paste it here right now, and it's going to verify right now. As you can see, verification complete, successful. As you can see right now, our verification is complete, successful. So guys, we just created a new WhatsApp account with this US number, guys. Same thing with your Telegram account and all of that. Click on category. We just click on other business and next. It's going to initialize. So guys, as you can see right now, we just created a new WhatsApp account using our US number right now. So click on not now. So as you can see right now, this is our new WhatsApp account right now. If you come to this very place right now, you're going to be seeing the fact that this number is a USA number. As you can see, +1 630 519. This is a USA number, guys. We just created a new WhatsApp account using our new USA number. So you can just go ahead, you can set up your WhatsApp profile, and these are my existing contacts right now. I can start chatting with them. These are my existing contacts. This is my contact, my personal contact. I can start chatting with them right now. So you can see status call. I'll click on my profile. I'll just send myself a message, and we are going to see if I'm going to receive this message right now. As you can see right here, guys, I just received a message from this number right now. So now the fact that I come to my normal WhatsApp right now, this is the number right now, and it just sent me a message right now. So you can see this is a number from the US, a USA number. I use this number to send my WhatsApp message, a number right now. So you can see and as you can see, this is the number right here. So guys, this is how you can create a USA free number with your phone. A free number you can use for your WhatsApp verification, your WhatsApp sign up, your Telegram sign up, and other sign up and verification process you want to use. As you can see, we tested this out right now and it worked 100% completely. And you are free to share this video to your friends and family, and someone you know this video will be valuable to them. You are free to share it to them. So guys, this is how you can get a free USA number. If you follow every instructions I passed through in this video, you are going to be getting your number guarantee. All right, now you can use this number for your WhatsApp, for your Telegram verification, and you want to be on the safer side by using it on VPN. All right, but you can choose not to use it on VPN. But if you want to be on the safer side, just leave it on VPN. Now guys, I believe you find value from this content. As always, make sure you share this video to someone you know this video will be valuable to them. All right, without saying, thanks for watching again. Make sure you don't forget to smash that like button, and also subscribe if you have not joined the family, and turn on bell notification. Now if you want to get a free foreign bank account, or you want to open a PayPal account you can use to receive money abroad or your clients, make sure you click this video showing right here to access all this video. I've put together all this video for you to access. So click this place right now to access these videos. I'll see you there.